Bosongo igangorwa ritora marwaira mange ande kara gwakine ntobwate chimashini chigo kumureka chiarora nkikero bobe chigo kumureka omubere omugima gwansero omotu mbaka inse na ichigo tote nkikero bobe amarwaire tiobwate twamanya kwa mariogo ana abane mashini engo mureke yarora mechando kiabwate twaba mariogo itongo ikale mbali neba no mochio keroka neba ngirigori cia mariogo ito nabako goikera neba Mombasa onya koroe kara gwakire simu na bukurwari
ikasomo cyobosongo ase stage y'ekigari otwakire simi ase kinamba chiko bwatya 0737746368 gose 0712526764
n'abantu abange bayeteire gana inde bagwenire igo totwara bwoba bunde bwense kara gwakire ese kwaranyura mariogo munaria nyagitari kwangire koigubiya moroire munaria ale chronic nkonyarwari tole
Omoro buryo bw'ekigosori na Steven Ndemo nigo gendereire gukumanya aliya gukorekana kurwa sebirubu ao byorogo nkorwa gusi Kenya nensenkima egati yaliyo konyora namuna ababwatani kurwa sekigosori ao kurwa sama minyoko chingundi karate umupira bwenkoyo kurwa sechi league ao buna regionals national super league KPL EPL La Liga Serie A Bundesliga chinde chinyinge
rero iga ngoche ya mase mokorwa segeti ya Kenya Green Stadium ekenege tigi ya inkase timu ya bomachoge barabu inyora no muri bwechi gosoli ngoche ya mase mokorwa segeta senikia Ndizi TV nabuna botambe etana nende mo Steven captain 001 yesiketa senikia Ndizi TV
kera lituko rya Jumamosi kurwa Chinsa Ikomi nenusu chamaragoba goika Chinsa Ikomi ibire nenusu chigosori ime ya Ndizi TV. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Irire buya mwancho muri ya bagita sene Ndizi TV ngo wakera ngambiye muno asoko gendera otengera Ndizi TV ne chinga kishinde ngo kwarigania erinde nkumanye amangana maya asenchera yobe ocheragire Chinsa Ikomi chabo emerong nyeri tira na Dorcas Kemuma nani goto wachikobwatira na nere Lydia kumanya wetera senchera ya manyeri nabayigo pete mukeira kwa nakinga gene chibicha agoikire asenchera yo wekirano nabogo tubwati wetera senchera ya metandao asensemo area ya YouTube tonyore buna Ndizi TV News nabayigo na sensemo ya Facebook no tore buna Ndizi TV News digital asemtandao lewe website no tore buna www.ndizitv.net. Mora
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Asama lieta nguru como katekista Edward Maturu kurwe sente gatore bono ya nyosia aze zoni ya Masago parish ya Masago kumurigereria Ndizi TV inche kwa niaba ya sente ya nyosia n'abaraya babane bose barayibe senta abarayibe kwa yetu twabariganira mwesipi ase Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi rituko ry'omukubyo Jumapili kitariki 5 mwensi mwariganira bugaiga ase omurubiri bw'emisa tokoreterwa n'omurari oito Juli ase rituko eryo ondeta abasekomocha
Tutakira Chinsa Ikomi n'enusu cy'amaragoba mbakense ya moya maragoba rituko rya Jumapili umerana na nje Juli Kerubo asomorwero w'emisa Jumapili korwa senta ya St Kizito Nyosia erindo tunyara gusanga asogwamo tosasime aswe ogwamo korwa ase wodi ya Bobaracho.
Karibu St Kizito Nyosia Center.
Omwanchu murigeria bwa televisioni ya Ndizi TV mbiyemo sukoira Chinsa chao na kurigeria televisioni yao na mbegemo yomunwa bweke gusi bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yukwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera ase gutwakire simi ase namba notisano na ibere inyisato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikere yukorike ase email ya ndiztvnews@gmail.com voigo na bugotonyora ase mitandao yaito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na voigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na bo ogututarira sichiabisi chito ekyo kirebo cy'obwechiro ya embassy ekeroko genda nyakoe ase bara ekurwa Kisi kogenda Kisumu. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Mwanju murigereri gongo sabo kwabera ase ogoturubana kwa mariogi echiga n'ibintu birose n'amaboko mwanya bantu nabikora ikabyara turubana ase nchirenga mune tokogendera nigo abarayi gosega cyabarayi korwa ase ense cyo Kenya nigo bono bagendrete kogokera ase monjuria ari murayi bwense abetega kubwatoka abugoro ase ensemo yabarayi batebna nerebuya omurayi bwense nonya no kwanekinga ngokeanyare omubaro bwa abarayi anene abawaziri amona abariki babutambe ase chiwizara imeyense ase bano batena ni anene ase okania abarayi kogenda ase emeyega yemechango nechigokeania andake obokurumi imeyense.
So on behalf of the people of Baringo, we support 100% reduction of redundant parastatals or being matched. We support 100% the suspension of CASs. We support 100% on withdrawal of any budget that was allocated to the office of the First Lady, Second Lady, Prime Cabinet Secretary, Lady, and so we continue to ask the President, even the number of permanent secretaries, if it is possible, match the ministries, reduce the number of PSS from 51 to 27, and then match some of the ministries so that we can have quality work being done in our cabinet. Even our budget in parliament, it has also been slashed. So we support the austerity measures, and we are telling President William Ruto, go, listen to the people of Kenya and implement. This is an opportunity that nobody will harass you. Implement everything that is right to save this country and improve our economy and build it from here to a prosperous Kenya.
Sisi tumefurahia jinsi amechukua hatua na tunaunga yeye mkono. Mambo ya mchango the harambee ambayo rais ameweza kutaja. Kama rais amesema, nani ataenda kando ya rais? Tunahurumia tu kwamba watu wetu tumesoea tabia hii, na ilikuwa ni njia ya kusaidiana kwa wala wachiwezi, wale wakonjwa, wale wengine ambao wamekuwa wachiwezi, mambo ya kanisa. Ilikuwa ni njia taratibu na ni tabia ya Wakenya harambee. Tumesaliwa tukiwa na harambee. Lakini sasa kwa sababu ya uchumi na kwa sababu ya finance bill Hiyo ndio vitu finance bill inalainisha, kwa sababu inasemekana kwamba katika harambee corruption zinaingia hapo, mambo mengi inaingia hapo, na kwa sababu rais amesema leo kwamba hakuna harambee, si hakuna harambee, simeisha hivyo. So hakuna harambee, tusisumbuane, tuheshimu rais, tuende hiyo barabara ni hiyo. Na
igati ya baraibe chikanisa ni gobono bagenderire gwakira ekiko ekogori gya Gen Z ase emirememia baba bagokora anena asokorwa ebirengereri byabo igoro yenseto ya Kenya nino borai amono bokurumi obwabeire bokonekiwa ase serikali ase bono babolire abasaya bo bekogori gya Gen Z konekinga nkobwatira na bale amona bagakagose abanene bare ase enseto ya Kenya likwenekinga ngosukia bare enseto ya Kenya moto na boigo nigo babolire kwenekinga mbali gochigweswanani amono bosalia.
They came one by one and they were saying, I'm not going to vote for this bill. And the deputy governor was not very firm about yes or no. But body language was like, he wasn't quite there. And the bishop said that even if you vote this finance bill, we are helpless as a people because we have spoken, you have not listened, but God in his own way is going to help us. Those were his words. Then 2 weeks after that, Gen Zs came from nowhere and the bill was not signed. That's how God saves his people. So we thank God for them, but we are saying, Nigerians wachoni gimangat maduong neno kobedo ekom ngamatin katudu wiyen ok nyatimango ok nyaneno. Waswahili wakasema panapo wazee hapaharibiki jambo. So Gen Zs, we thank God for you. We need you. You have brought us salvation where we were dull, where we were quiet, and now you have spurred us. We can continue in this fight. But don't leave us behind, because we are also there. We are like those anthills of the savanna grasslands. There's a speed that can destroy. So one bending in one tier, tomorrow is a Sabasaba day. We'll be going.
Abara ikurwa ase orogongorwa South Nyanza ni gobono bakire ekukugose baire okoboko abasai bakegore igya Gen Z na kubabori ati babasa gotiga kurwanira ense yeito ya Kenya anene asoko nekinga obokurumi bwa edire imeyense yeito ya Kenya bagokwana ase omuyego yomo bwa matanga ni gobono babolire serikali kwenekiti bari gotumeka chinguru gwetani ekerengo ekero abasai aba bakorobekana na bigo ni go ba mentwe tabna ni go barachiko gendra gosira na kumubwatisia omoraiwe kyama kya ODM Raila Odinga ase emeroberio eliabwate igoro yenseto ya Kenya.
Say for the Gen Zs, we are with you. Do not relent. Do not retreat. Do not surrender. The moment you do that, you will be vanquished. You have done certain things that we have not been able to achieve. But in only 2 weeks, you have given a paradigm shift to the management of our country. We will support you. We are with you. And I know in Baba's heart of hearts, you are residing there. Baba loves you. And he will say that for himself. Siku ile tulipiga no. Wacha nikuambie watu wa Yesu wanajua kukimbia. Omera niliona hawa kwa tunnel. Na saa zingine tuko na shida kupata watu wanaenda Olympic. Na huko bunge iko watu wanakimbia sana. Na tuliwaambia mkichapa hii yes yenu, watu watakimbia hapa. Na Gen Zs walikuja kututembelea bungeni. Na tunawashukuru, next time mkikuja, fanyeni appointment wakaribishe vizuri, mukule vizuri. Na msiharibu mali. Na bunge itaendelea. Ber kozok ber.
To welcome all MPs and all our guests who are from outside Migori and are in Migori today. You feel at home. This is Migori, and I know the people of Migori are very good people. And when you are here, please, you are safe, feel at home. I have only one word to put across. as people of Migori, we made a resolve that we are going to remain united as people of Migori, and we are going to support all ideals of Raila Amolo Odinga, and we are going to ensure Migori remains Migori under the leadership of Ochilo Mbogayako. Any other thing, like whatever where we are.
Murai wense Dr. William Ruto nigo aereire na kweresera obuya bwo moroberio bwo kubwenia bwo asechine gitari o chief oyo o manyeba igo manyeke na Social Health Insurance Fund oyo kagere guchaka omotie nyojoga ka okwana bugoro chinga kyalinge okwanira ose aumerante na basaye aso mutandao mo X. Ruto nigo atebeta nigo omoroberio ye oro omuyakobwa omoroberio omokoro bwa NHIF asekeri nigo ogwekera Kenya abange anene bali batali kwenyara asatena nigo orachigokonya abanta abange goikera okwenywa asechinye gitali ime yense.
Mothers and fathers are going through sweat to get it, Mr. President. Wherever we are not happy.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend Martin. I understand you.
The reason why we are shifting from NHIF to shift is because NHIF is limited. NHIF only captures a small section of our society. It is my intention, as I made a commitment to the public, that every Kenyan must have two things: must have access to healthcare and must have access to health insurance. We must make sure that those people, even those who cannot afford NHIF, because there are many people who cannot afford the 500 we are paying at the moment. And that is why we have brought in a means testing system, so that the people who cannot afford the 500, we have now reduced it to 300 under the new program. And even those who cannot afford the 300, the government of Kenya is going to pay for them, so that no Kenyan will go to hospital, whether they are suffering from hypertension or cancer or diabetes or whatever. Either they get treatment because level 1, 2, and 3 are free, or they can go to a referral hospital and there is an insurance system through SHIF, that's the social insurance, that is going to make sure that their bills are paid. So, and let me tell you, one very important addition to this program is the digital health platform. The biggest problem we have had in NHIF is the digitization.
Tigana na yona gos kamoto ni gobono eserekari erachi kogendera gosira chigosori imeyense to ya Kenya wetera ase omoroberio o talanta hela ase bono erachi konekinga abaimokerere igoro ebiegwa bie chigosori imeyense to ya Kenya yigana yo morai bwense Dr. William Ruto asalenge kwana igoro ase amagacho yoborai State House ase mocho Nairobi chinga kia alinga somoyega boko tuka aba gosori ase aba Olympic chigosori abara chikwenda ase ense ya Paris edigo chigo ikirania ense to ya Kenya.
As you are aware, the government did not spare any effort to support your qualification pathway in line with our commitment to support the identification, nurture and promotion of talents under our Talanta Hela initiative. We will continue this work with you until you come back with a harvest of medals and experiences from Paris, when we shall monetize this with handsome rewards. And I want to promise you that I have given very clear and firm instructions to the ministry to make sure that the reward system represents the excellence that we have in our sportsmen and women. And also the allowances must keep in pace with the excellence that we see in our sportsmen, men and women. It is very encouraging to know that we have some 6 sports disciplines qualified to represent the country in Paris. This is commendable, and it goes to demonstrate that with more investment from the grassroots, technical and other support system, Kenya can have a rich portfolio of sports to send to the quadrennial games. And I want to very sincerely identify with the counties for partnering with us as we enhance the pool of spaces where Kenyans can participate in this endeavor. I am also delighted to learn that these games, and indeed our Kenyan delegation, has largely upheld the gender balance consideration, which I applaud the leadership of the National Olympics Committee, as I salute NOC for their laudable transformation to a robust, dynamic, forward-looking institution. Let me also appreciate my team at the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sports for bringing to life coherence and predictability to that space so as to make its contribution.
Mwanchumuriria igano ngwikira omwerio bwa mangana maya senchera yowenga ase Chinsa Ikomi kurinde aya muna yanda mange no chukanyora senchera yobwikira nuke koraga ense moya bono marago batubasoska tubasa kugenda tambe emiroberi ye chigosori ngochera sembe ase kagetari egetambe ereteria ne Dorcas Kemuma nere twabwatrana nigo pe akuru Petra mokero yone kinga maligine chibicha wikira senchera yobwikira no naboigo Lydia Mose ane kinga okumanyiri wetira senchera yebi manyererio.